Welcome to part 63 of Learn Languages. Today we're looking at countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things you can count one by one. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted individually. Water, rice, music, advice, information. You can't say 3 waters or 2 advices. This rule affects which words you use with them. Use many with countable nouns. How many eggs do we need? There are too many people here. Use much with uncountable nouns. How much milk is left? There isn't much time. Use a few with countable nouns. I have a few friends in London. Use a little with uncountable nouns. Can I have a little sugar in my tea? Some and any work with both types. I need some water. Do you have any water? There are some apples. Are there any apples left? Now let's look at some tricky ones. Hair is usually uncountable. She has beautiful hair. But a hair is countable, one single strand. There's a hair in my soup. Coffee is uncountable as a substance. But you can say 2 coffees at a cafe. That means 2 cups. Context matters. Let's recap. Countable, use many, a few numbers. Uncountable, use much, a little, no plural. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.